Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro 2LT RS in Crystal Red Tintcoat on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area here. I've got the trunk lit up so you can see. So here's the trunk on the Camaro. It is a little bit smaller for a sports car, but it's got a convertible, so the top is packed in right there. As you can see, there is pass-through underneath where the top is, and when the top is in the up position, this partition piece here folds out of the way, giving you the rest of the space, making it like a normal size Camaro trunk. So that's great. It also has a car cover that comes with it, and we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid, have a look from the back. So it's got the nice rear deck lid spoiler on it. It's got the shark fin for the antenna. We've got the RS badging here on this side. We've got the nice LED tail lights across the back. We've got a reverse camera just above the license plate there. Proximity sensors that will beep to let you know there's an object behind you. And we've got the dual exhaust trumpet style tips here that are stainless steel. So those look great. So we'll just shift around this side here. I'll let you have a look at the rear wheel. So we've got nice big chrome wheels on there, and we've got nice Nitto tires. We haven't polished the car yet, so when we're done it'll have red calipers, which will look great, or black. We'll see how we feel, but usually it's red. So we'll move on to the passenger door. I'll let you have a look here. So it's got the nice high gloss insert there. We've got the Boston Acoustics premium stereo. We've got power windows, power locks, and the nice chrome door handle. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side, so it's in really good shape, as you can see. And for the passenger, we got power fore, aft, up, down, and power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And I'll pull this forward so we can have a look at the back seat area. So there's the back seat. It's in good shape, as you can see as well. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy, and we'll have a look in the glove box. So it does have the books, and there's also a spare accessory belt with it as well. We've got the nice dash here. It's almost like a leather feel, and then we've got the nice baseball stitching and the finished piece up top as well with the jet style vents. And just have a look at the condition of the dash while we're here. Looks good. So let's hop out and we'll close this side up. And we also have heated mirrors, as you can see from the icon there in the mirror. And I'll just hop to the back here, and I'll just move my camera along this side so you can see the condition of the car. Looks good. You've got the Camaro chrome badging at the front, and here's your front chrome wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, Nitto tires, and the calipers will be painted either red or black. So we'll just move around to the front. So here we are at the front. We've got the V6 3.6 liter motor, which is 323 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy. We've got the strut tower brace across the top as well. So that's great. So we'll close the hood, and I'll just step back. I'll let you have a look from the front. So it's got the RS badging there in the grille. We've got the nice bright HUD headlights with LED daytime running lights, and we've got fog lights on this one as well. In terms of issues, so let me see, there's 2 little touch-ups here and 1 little mark here that's been touched up as well. Outside of that, it looks great. So we'll just move around to the other front wheel. So there it is, nice big chrome wheel, and again, Nitto tires, and same thing back here. Looks great. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors on the door. We've got power locks, power windows, chrome door handle, and that Boston acoustic stereo again. And I'll let you just have a look at the condition of the panel. Looks good. And here's your kick plate on the driver's side. It's in really good shape, as you can see. And your power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. So let's hop in. As I get in, just have a look at the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right, so in terms of kilometers, we have 16,964, nice and low. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Over here, we've got our cruise control. on the steering wheel. And then on this side here, we've got telephone and Bluetooth controls and voice command controls. We can change the radio source by pressing this button in. We can change the channel by scrolling the wheel up or down. And we've got our volume keys over here. Above, you've got paddle shifters plus and minus if you want to shift yourself. And then on this side here, we've got our automatic headlights. And we've got fog lights by pressing in. And then we've got our manual, let's see, it's tilt. So just tilt. So we've got manual tilt on this one. And over on this side, we've got our turn key. There's 2 remotes, 2 keys, and it does have an automatic starter on it as well. We've got heads-up display controls here. So I'll just see if I can turn off the lights for a moment. There you are. So there's your heads-up display. And I'll press the pages button so we can see, we can cycle through some different information, and we can also move the position, and we can change the brightness or turn it off as well. So that's there. And let's see, we'll move on to the radio. So there's your radio. So it does have XM radio. I can hit home for a moment. We've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB. We'll go more. There's a bunch more apps here. And if I put it in reverse, there's your backup camera, and you can hear the proximity sensor beeping because it sees the Corvette there. So that's great. And then down below, we've got our heating controls. So here's your fan speed, your temperature control, 4 ways, and then you have heated seats. So we've got a heated seat there, heated seat here. And then in the front, we've got our gauges. So oil, battery, oil temperature, and engine temperature. So that's their traction control on and off, 12-volt socket. And here's your 6-speed automatic shifter with manual mode for the paddle shifters. We've got cup holders and a center console with a USB and auxiliary line in and a 12-volt socket. There's your frameless auto-dimming rearview mirror, and you've got an auto-dimming driver's side mirror as well. And then we've got our lighting controls, what's this, garage door, universal remotes, airbag on and off, and then we've got our convertible top button. So we'll go ahead, we'll put the convertible top up so you can see the operation. Perfect, and then we just grab and lock it in place, and now we'll hop out with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Perfect, and here we are. Good sound to it, so I'll just show you from the front with it running with the headlights on. Sharp looking car with the chrome rims. The Crystal Red Tintcoat. What a great color combo. So here it is from the front with the nice bright HUD lights. And I'll just move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And I'll stop and show you the roof because it's a convertible. So there's the roof. It's in good shape. No rips or tears. Looks great. So we'll just move around the back with it running. There it is. Nice little rumble to it. Sounds good. So there you have it, folks. 2014 Chevrolet Camaro 2LT RS in Crystal Red Tintcoat with nice big chrome wheels on it. Here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.